Scott Chapman at Porsche Center, Calgary. I just wanted to speak to you today about something called Porsche Finder, which is how you find our inventory online. We thought it'd be useful to introduce everyone to this so that you're familiar with how you can track down some of our inventory. And more recently, we've actually had quite a bit of our inventory sell. So I think it's important that as we get to the springtime and more people are interested in purchasing vehicles, that you don't miss out on any opportunities if you're interested. So what I would start by mentioning first is by looking at Google, because that's a common search engine that most people use. And we can approach this two different ways. There's more of a macro view and then a micro view. So I'll start with a macro view. And what I would do is you'll type in Porsche Finder into Google. And from here, you can click on Porsche Finder new and pre-owned vehicles. And you can then just click on, if you scroll down a little bit here, you can click on new vehicle inventory. I'm going to start with new vehicles specifically, and then I can show you how you can select pre-owned separately or combine the two together in your search if you wish. So this will show you all the vehicles that are available in the country. What you can then do is actually scroll down to the bottom here and hone in on a specific dealer. So in this case, Porsche Center Calgary, because that's where we are. And this will show you a list of all the new vehicles that are for sale. So as it stands right now, we actually only have 10 new vehicles in stock. We had close to just over 20, I would say a few weeks ago actually. Some of them became service loaners, which allows us to free up existing service loaners and sell them as pre-owned cars. But we also then sold a bunch to consumers. So we are moving inventory quite quickly these days. And it's important to note actually on the Cayennes, because we have 4 of those in stock right now. Up until the end of this month, there's actually a promotion to take advantage of a 3-year maintenance plan at no cost. So we'll include those with every Cayenne that's sold. Moreover, we also have a 5.9% lease rate on these new vehicles available for up to 42 months. So important opportunities you can take advantage of. So if you look at this here, you'll see these 10 cars. So we have a brand new 2022 Taycan Turbo S. We'll have a Panamera Forest Sport Turismo. We'll have, like I said, those 4 Cayennes, so Cayenne GTS, a Cayenne Platinum Edition. For those of you who don't know what Platinum Edition means, it's essentially a standard Cayenne, but you get some more things standard on it. What I mean by that is there's an upgraded rim, there's some trim pieces on the exterior, there's some interior trim pieces that are upgraded, there's some interior packages that become standard, so you have a better overall starting point with these vehicles. And from there, you'll also see that we have, if you scroll past the Cayennes, we have 3 Macans in stock as well right now. And this one isn't quite on ground yet. This one is here, not yet available for sale, but this blue one is just going to be pulled into our showroom. So this will be available very shortly. So those are the 10 new cars that we have in stock available, in stock or soon to be and available, all available nonetheless. And if you're scrolling up to the top here, you'll then see the option to select pre-owned. You can specialize the search some more with certified pre-owned cars that come with extended warranties, or even get into the classic world. So let's say I unselect new and then reselect another one pre-owned here. You can see all the options for those vehicles. So what I'm going to also show you is if you click on any vehicle, whether it's new or pre-owned, you're going to see more pictures that come up, first of all. We have a beautiful photo studio in the basement of our facility where we take all these pictures. And you then have the option to see all of the equipment on the vehicle, kilometers, information on some of the other transmission colors and so on and so forth. One other thing I want to point out to everybody, which is applicable on new and used as well, is this button here to request reservation. What this actually means, it's not to reserve a test drive, it's actually to purchase the vehicle. So you can then leave a deposit online and effectively request the opportunity to purchase this vehicle. I often tell clients who are interested in our vehicles, who are at our dealership trying to work a deal or expressing interest in a vehicle, that it is really worthwhile leaving a deposit when you can, because as you've just noticed, what I've shown you is that anyone can leave a deposit or reserve a vehicle online after hours or when we're not open, which means there's a lot more opportunity for anyone to actually purchase a vehicle. This then sends a request to us where we have to accept or decline the offer, and it allows for you to do that at any time. Moreover, you have the option here to contact the center, and this will actually send a direct request to us if you click email the center with a invitation or what we call a lead for us then to reach out to you. So it is one way to get a hold of us. You can also call us at 403-319-0000 or call in, or show up and we can help you. We certainly would appreciate if you're able to call first and set an appointment so we can make sure we respect your time and you get the best experience possible. But I just wanted to give you a feel for the different ways to reach out to us to set an appointment with a vehicle or order one online. The second part of this video is the ability to go through Porsche Finder directly through our website. So again, if I go back to Google here and then type in Porsche Center Calgary, you'll see I can click right into our website, or I can even go right into the inventory through the Google search. So let's try that. And you will see, much like before, you have, this is actually Porsche Finder that loads just in a different format, but through our website. So you can click on anything here, you can specify the model, variant, and then that will take you into the vehicle. So for example, if I click on Panamera, it will then take you to Panamera specifically. And as mentioned, we have only the one in stock. But then you can change this and you can type all models or go through the different options in this page itself. So it gives you more flexibility for searching. That's what I wanted to touch on today. I hope you guys found that valuable. I think it's important to understand the easiest ways to search for our inventory. And with that, we look forward to seeing you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call any of our sales executives and we can get you answers. Thanks very much for listening and have a great day.